Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new release, which we also have something very exciting, but I will save this for last. So let's go ahead and get into this week's release. We have 3 kits, one of them being new exclusive art that I'm so excited about, Scribblers. We have characters and then the color of the week and also a restock. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, we do have the color of the week. It is this gorgeous blue color. This is another color picked by y'all. I ask every couple of months for color suggestions on the Facebook group, and this is one that was requested / suggested. So this comes in the normal 12 sheets. I really love this color. I think it's a very unique color. I might have to go in, this is number 54, and grab this color and use it in a kit in the future because it's so stinking pretty. 11 and 12. They'll be available through Sunday, and there is a buy all option that saves you a couple of dollars there. Then we do have the characters for this week, which are Bluey and Bingo. This is 44 and 45. And these are so stinking cute. I am obsessed. Very requested for those to come out. Then we have some Scribblers for this week. So this is the eyelash. It's also winking, so you can kind of use it for a lot of different things. I feel like these ones that aren't super specific are nice just to have on hand. So you have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I like using them for lash appointments, but you can use them for lots of things like getting glam or just as a winking, something cute and sassy. Love it. Then we have a restock this week. This restock is of the shimmer mixed metal of gold and champagne lights. I actually noticed, I'll have to have Kirsten count and see if there's any extra. I think the matte bronze, matte silver sold out. We will have that one coming to the shop in another foil bundle, but I probably won't be restocking it in shimmer unless it's super highly requested, but I don't have that on order. So that one sold out, but this one was sold out. It sold out so fast that I went ahead and restocked it. But like I said, the other one, which was matte bronze, matte silver, I do have coming in a future foil bundle style as mixed metal. So you'll get that fixed in a different way. So this is the corrected version. We did have one, I don't remember where I put it, but it was a gold and a hot gold sparkle. And y'all, I put that on super sale and I think we sold over half of them already, which is wild. But yeah, this is restocked because this was probably our best selling, fastest selling out foil bundle ever. And I probably used it this year, at least 5 times. It's just so stinking good and goes with so many different things and is really a stunner. I think I actually just used it this last base I did. I don't think it's up. Or no, I used it in this one here. I don't know if this one up. Yeah, holiday prep. I used it. I was looking back. Where else did I use it? I think the first week's spread here with one of the mysteries. I don't remember what mystery this is, but it's so good. Those are just 2 of the spreads, but I know I've used it in more, but obsessed with this. So this is restocked. And then let's get into the kits. Here is the first one. We got kind of Valentine's Day vibes kind of throughout. Sort of. We'll get through it. So this is XOXO. And all of the kits, of course, come in an ultimate and a mini. I'm just going to show you the ultimates. So this is the full box page. This one is think of the foil possibilities, y'all. You could do a teal, a purple. You could do a hot pink. You could do silver. You could do gold. You could do even the champagne lights and the gold mix with this would be so pretty. It would pop so beautifully on that. But also look really pretty if you want to do the silver and sparkly hollow mixed metal. You could do lavender hollow, sparkly hollow, any mixture of those. Ugh, it'd just be so pretty. But also I think a hot pink would be really pretty, a regular pink, but also there is gold in there. I think that'd be really fun as well. It would just really pop against these colors. You could do silver. Obsessed with this kit. The freebie and the ultimate and the mini is the extra boxes for this box here. And then let me go on to the add-on options. So you do have the option to add on the doodles. There is fashion 1 and fashion 2. Might be the opposite way. I'm not totally sure. 1 and 2. Functional, label, and ombre. So that is the first kit. The second kit here is winter, but also I think you could use it for Valentine's. And this is called Frosty, and I'm obsessed with this. Another one that foil possibilities are literally endless. I feel like this one could go with silver. It could go with the silver and sparkly hollow mixed metal. It could go with rose. It could go with matte silver. It could go with gold. It could go with golden champagne lights. It could go with regular champagne lights. It could go with so many different colors, like a light blue. I think even matte bronze would look pretty with this because you have like those nude shades mixed in here. But 100% using this. I had 1 week left in January and I am filling it up with this because I think it is so pretty. I love the reindeer. That was my favorite thing, like out of everything, was the reindeer. It's just so cute. And these colors are so beautiful, so pretty. You have your extra box here with the food and the wax. I'm just obsessed. I love the patterns. I love the colors. You have the extra hand box here, and the freebie is the other hand option colors. And you have like a slight ombre here with the darker blue and the lighter blue, the terrazzo, which y'all know I love. For me personally, I don't know what I'm going to use with this because I also think like a snow bundle would be really, really cute with it. I think I think this is still available, right? The like PLANMAS collab will be really pretty with it as well. I don't know if I want to use snow or a snow variation, or if I want to do like the silver and sparkly hollow mixed metal. I could do like a little bit of each, maybe like do a little bit of silver snowflake, do a little bit of sparkly hollow snowflake, do the mixed metal for some things. Not entirely sure. There's a lot of add-on options. So first you have the doodles, the functional, the ombre, the label 2, which is this gorgeous green color, which I am gonna bring that in for sure. There's fashion, and then there is also fam. So in the fam you have the tall couple, the regular full box couple, and then the fashion option. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So stinking cute. So excited to use that one. Let me know what foil combos y'all are using for all these kits down below, because I need to know. I need the inspo. And then last but not least, I'm so excited about this one. I think it turned out so much better than I could even imagine. This is exclusive art, so you won't see it anywhere else. And it is The Notebook. And it is probably my favorite romance movie. I love this one and Pride and Prejudice, but The Notebook always gets me. And even always gets Nick, which I just think is very, very rare. So many scenes in this kit, and I am just obsessed with it. Again, it is exclusive art, and you'll see like these are like very iconic moments. I'm just so obsessed. It just makes me like think of the movie, and I love the movie. I'm actually making Hannah watch it this year in February for our movie nights because she has never seen The Notebook, so she's going to use this and watch The Notebook. As far as foil goes, I'm thinking about just doing silver, like being super basic, but I also think you could use matte silver, you could use matte bronze. You could do gold and it could be a pop. You could do rose. You could do like a teal, a blue, a navy. But I think I'm just going to do silver. I think I just want the art to shine. Maybe like a light confetti. But also I have 29 new foil bundles in shop that need collated. But maybe I'll take this in and kind of just like, you know, scan it along the lines and see if anything like pops out at me. Because like also like an icy mint, like ice blue would be really pretty. There's another scene there with the letters. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Just so obsessed with this. And then her driving in the car. Love it. And then the freebie and the ultimate and mini, you have like the letters with like some makeup in the background and then a book with like his little hat there. I'm obsessed, y'all. I have been working, this is Coco art, and I've been working with Coco for a lot of pop culture kits coming soon, and y'all are going to flip. Like actually flip. Flip. Mini kit, doodle, functional, ombre, label 2 is a green. Green's just label 2 for this week. And then last but certainly not least, we have the newest SPC Edit print brush and planner. And y'all, this color is to die for. Let me just remind you of the last color that we had. This was the last color. This is the same color as the planner keeper that we released. This is no longer available, but this has like the gold hardware. Kane did release a black. I'm just gonna pull it out. A black, a pink, and a white. This is the pink that he released. And this has silver hardware. I'm just a collect them all kind of gal. But let me show you the newest SPC Edit print brush and planner. And this one is called Princess. I think this one's just called Pink. But let me show you what we're working with here. And this is going to be the planner that I store my planner in for the first half of next year. I'm probably always going to use a black one for videos because I feel like it makes the colors more stabilized with the black, the white, and then the colors. But as for storage goes, this is going to be my 2023 planner, and I'm going to do a video setting it up. But oh my god, guys, oh my god. So I picked this swatch for this, and I was like, I'm really excited for it. But when it came in, I was like, this is even better. And even Kane was like, oh my god, look at her. Look at her. I don't have anything this color at all on my shelf. And I have like probably A5 wide planners, probably like 30 A5 wide planners. I don't have anything this color. It is gorgeous. It is stunning. It is called Pretty in Pink, and I am obsessed, in love. She obviously is like, she's kind of just like this is classy Andrea. This is like Andrea on the weekends. I am so excited for this. I know, another pink planner, but honestly, pink is my thing. Pink is everything. And we already have in the works to do other colors in the future. I'm just trying to like, I'm getting a lot of samples. I got one whole round of like planners that I was like not crazy about the like textures and stuff. So I'm getting a whole nother round, but there's gonna be no pink in those lines. These are like the pinks. These, I mean, like, it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. It's stunning. It's gorgeous. I love it. It is just literally everything. And she has gold hardware. So this is the last round of the SPC edits that will come with the 5-week sample. So the ones from my shop, this last round will also come with it. It also has a journaling card in here. And this is the SPC edit. If you don't know, I designed this planner with Kane. I came up with this idea to have 4-inch wide windows. They're a little less than 4 so that, you know, there's like, you don't see the edge of it, but it's like a almost 4-inch, but you could put 4x6 cards in here. This is like a standard journaling card, but you could do a 4x6 print. This is a little bit shorter, but if you get something that's 4x6, you can easily trim it down and just slip it in there. I like the idea for journaling cards, but you could also do pictures. You could just even use it functionally for storage of stickers. Do whatever you want, but I am obsessed. I'm in love. This is my favorite out of all of the colors that have been released because I just think it's epic. The color, like, it's a very cool toned hot pink. That's like the best way to describe it. This was the one, again, that Kane released. It had silver hardware and it was like his light pink. And then this was the one I released before. So this is more of a like almost like a little bit of a darker millennial pink. That's like a little bit more warm tone. This one I would say is more cool toned. Jess, let me know if I'm correct down below because she has this planner and she could tell me, but I'm pretty sure that I would say that this is cool toned pink and I love it so much, and I hope that y'all do too. So this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. We are limited. The other one sold out, I think, in about a week or less. I'm not sure. Somewhere around there. So if you want to get your hands on this, I definitely would suggest doing so as soon as possible. But again, this will be live Wednesday. You can order it with other items, order it however you like. And it is just everything. And I am so excited to finally be releasing it because I already have my stuff ready over here to do my little setup video. I have to figure out which cards I want to slot in here, but we'll get there. We'll get there. But that is everything for this week. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. I'm trying to like see if there's anything near me that I can like show you color wise, like what it is comparable to, but there's just nothing because it's just so pretty. I think it like actually kind of is, it's a little bit more pinky. This is a little more of a purpley pink, but obsessed. Hope you are too. Don't forget champagne lights and gold. I won't be restocking this if this sells out, so get your hands on those. We have the XOXO collection. We have the Frosty collection. We have the notebook. We have color number 54. We have characters 45 and 44 that are Bluey and Bingo. And then we also have the winking lashes gal for the Scribbler. So that is everything for this week. We are officially back to kind of normal with shipping orders, so that is great. We were kind of a little behind with, not behind, we on track with Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday mystery reveal will be up. I don't know if it's Tuesday or Wednesday I have it slotted for, but one of those days. Very excited about that. And that is everything for this video. I hope y'all liked it, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.